Do you know why I'm dancing? I'm dancing for those of you that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Okay, let me quickly rush to my today advice. Okay, for those of you that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you. And for those of you that have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to your sister YouTube channel. Gracias. Gracias means thank you. Okay, let me quickly rush to my today advice. My today advice is for those guys that used to, that like to beat women a lot. That like to beat their girlfriend. That like to beat their wife. That like to beat their mother, their sisters, even neighbors. And I know the shame. Although most men wey dey like beat women dey curse her, but if you get woman wey dey provoke you all the time make you beat her, comot for house for am. Or if una get many rooms, just dey for one room, leave am. You know see some women their mouth na tap, na dem no dey like. If neighbor come say e don do, e come be like say dem pour fuel, e go charge, dey shout. Those kind one you go know say dem be ogbanje. Dem don sign for their coven say dem wan make person beat dem till dem go die. For you to no allow that thing to come to pass, comot for house for them. Some women dem no dey hear word, dem like make men dey beat dem. You wey be man, no just allow am, comot for house for am, make e no take you her own destroy your own future, because you still get many things to do for this life. No allow one woman come make you dey beat. You go beat am, you go die. And for those of you wey dey beat your mama, wey dey beat your papa, your old age na stone your children go dey take dey stone you, because you don carry curse put for your head. Mama wey carry you for 9 months, nurture you, you dey beat am. Papa wey suffer train you, you be as you be, you dey beat am. You no get fear of God. You sabi beat abi? Continue. Me personally, I no go tell you say make you stop, because if I tell you say make you stop na something else. I no go tell you continue dey beat them. You know the shame. They beat your mama even though na curse. You no go fit pray yourself out. They beat your mama, they beat your papa. You no get. I rest that case. And for those of you wey dey beat una wife, abeg I dey beg. I know say some women no dey hear, make una no dey beat. E no good to dey beat women at all. Being your wife, being your girlfriend, being your sisters. Some women na one life dem get. Once you touch them for where no good like this, they don slum die. No dey beat. Some men dey enjoy to dey beat. If you know say you sabi, you dey enjoy to beat. Go where dem dey boss now. Go face your fellow human man. Dey do the boxing there. No be for your wife body now. No be for your girlfriend body now. E no make sense. Me and you know say you no go gain anything. Na to just disfigure the person face or body. Make you stop am. E no good. Because this thing, wetin make me talk this thing, e get one kind thing wey happen then. I dey secondary school. One auntie like that. I like this auntie. Oh, you know why I like her? The auntie nice. She fine. The guy wey the auntie born for, he born one girl, one boy. I dey like carry those children because they fine. Me, I dey like fine things well. And the auntie dey close to my mama. He dey always come seek advice from my mama hand. In bobo dey always beat am. The guy never marry am. The auntie come from northern side. He come from northern side, but as in she was born and brought up there. e be like say her papa don die but her mom still dey but that long. So she come move come Las Gidi with the bobo, dem dey stay. Every day this guy go dey beat am. Every day this guy go dey beat am. Every day this guy go dey beat am. If he beat am, he dey beat am. The aunty fair. You go beat this aunty, this aunty eye go close like this. All her face, as in, you know, fair person. If dem beat am, blow, as in, Jesus. Na so she go run come with the children, come meet my mama. My mama go come dey pet her. My mama dey advise her, say, this guy never marry you. He dey beat you like this. Why no go back to your mama dem place before this guy go kill you here? Every day he dey beat you, every day he go kill you. Na so my mama, and the guy go beat am finish, he no go even carry am go hospital. He no go even care if the aunty die, you know, if he dey okay, you know, dey okay. If he wan die, make he die. You know, person wey no get people now, the aunty be like orphan to am. Person wey born 2 beautiful kids for you. Na so he dey beat am. Na so he beat this aunty so the aunty die. He beat am finish, leave am for house, comot. The aunty don die till. Na neighbors dem come run come call my mama. Dem see my mama as im own person. Say this aunty o, dem dey wake am, e no gree wake, im husband beat am o. Then now, if na now, trust social media now, dem go fish out the guy. Na so the guy run o. My mama come reach there, we run reach, the aunty don die. Na so I cry. I come vow, say I no go marry man. If any man I dey date you, you raise hand like this, say you wan do pen, the relationship don end o. Say you even just, e don end. Because na so that beautiful aunty take just go like that. Na so they come dey fine the people. The children dem dey our place for sometimes. The husband come say no wetin happen to am o, this one he dey sick o, this just find one story give, collect the children, carry the aunty dog for mortuary. Till today wey me and you dey talk, dem no see the children, dem no see the bobo, dem no see the aunty, dem no know if dem bury am or he still dey there sef. He no go still dey there now. Nobody know whereabout as the guy and the pikin dey take go. So I beg some if you dey date man wey dey beat you, leave that relationship. And I no go lie you, if you be wife, your husband too dey beat you, try voice out o. Try telling people, try tell people wey you go fit tell o, make dem help you. If na pastors dem, make dem help you pray over am. If na spirit of beating dey im body, make dem cast am comot before e kill you. Because so many people no dey talk, na so dem go take die. So if you be man, you dey beat woman, stop am. And na so one man like that wey believe say him be Mike Tyson, he sabi punch, he sabi beat. Na so he take jam one aunty. The aunty na married woman. As him believe say as him dey take beat him sisters dem or girlfriend or him mama, him go beat another woman. You no know say some women get one single bone. I dey for salon that day. Na then the man sabi any small thing, he don dey beat woman. The aunty come salon, na so the aunty see where he dey beat one girl like that. He go separate them. Na he give that aunty backhand. Aunty tell am say, I hear say you sabi beat, but today you go sign say you no go dey beat woman again. The aunty, what I dey tell you, she be like broom like this. She tiny, but if you see as he handle this brother wey hefty, he believe say na akpobi, then they do am by akpobi. You no know say that aunty na all these people wey dey karat. The aunty beat am, comot like 2 teeth for him mouth. He beat am, he beat am black and white, blue, pink, yellow, purple. Now we can't dey even beg the aunty. And the aunty say no, he go sign. Say today any day for your life you no go dey beat woman again. Na im blood im comot for body like this take sign for paper say e no go, because the aunty too beat am. E get some women wey dey beat men. If you be woman wey dey beat men, stop am. Wey be say any small thing you don dey beat your bobo, any small thing you don dey beat people around you, stop am. E no good. You understand? E no good. I no like am make man dey beat. I dey believe say man wey dey beat woman, you know, in fact, you are not man enough. For you to dey beat woman, you are not man enough. And if you be woman wey be say you no dey respect man, you dey run mouth all the time make dem dey beat you, you are not woman enough also. Why you no dey respect yourself? Every time you wan make dem neighbor dey hear una voice, they don kill me o, they don kill me o, but na you go cause wetin make dem don dey kill you, dey kill you. You no go shut up. You go dey talk anyhow. You no go fit respect yourself. Like say if e start, some people dem go take mouth you go think say dem sabi fight. Nothing. Person like me, I no dey like wahala. I no even want headache. I no want pain for my body as you see me like this. I no dey like look for trouble. My own be say no look for me, because if you look for me we go die there. 3 months anywhere where I jam you, we go dey fight. Na so I be. But I no dey like fight. If people wey know me well then go fit talk and say this one. I never say I fight o. Even my siblings they know me. If neighbors then, when we dey grow up, if neighbors then fight, then they quarrel me like this, my siblings then they die put. Then they say because this person know they talk. Even neighbors, some neighbors then they talk, then go they support, they go one die put. Then go they say this person know they like fights. Wetin make am fight like this? Wetin make am voice out? No, they don't pass their boundary. Even at that, say fight no good. Me, I no sabi fight, I no like fight, but you no good. Why you go they beat your girlfriend, they beat your wife, they beat any small thing you don't beat? Spirit where they, you don't know say these days now, spirit of so many things they coven around. Once they hear say no is there, then have to go fly enter those people body.